Right off third, this whole lot chilling in the back of the track. Niggas got packs trying to get them racks. X5, I was riding in the back with the brothers fried chicken in the cat in my lap. 17 had no dreams.
Alright guys, as you see, got the floor done up 2 layers of that sky high deadening. Makes a pretty good difference just by tapping on it, so looking forward to seeing how it sounds. Once I get it all playing, should make a big difference. Got the doors pretty much solid. I've been using second skin, so you probably see some patches here and there. I've already got like 2 layers on the inside of the door, same for that side over there. But yeah, just on to the next step after this. Try to get the carpet back in and see what the see what the next thing is going to be. All right, later.